In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create in-cell bar chart in Microsoft Excel. An in-cell bar chart is a simple but powerful way to visualize numbers directly inside your worksheet cells. Instead of building a separate chart, Excel can display horizontal bars within the cells themselves, making it much easier to compare values at a glance. This is especially useful for things like sales figures, scores, progress tracking, or any list of numbers where you want a quick visual summary. To get started, select the cells that contain the numbers you want to turn into in-cell bars. For example, you might highlight a range like B2 through B6. Make sure you only select the numeric cells you want Excel to evaluate, because the formatting will be applied to that selected range. Once your cells are selected, go to the Home tab at the top of Excel. From there, click Conditional Formatting. This menu gives you several ways to visually format data based on the values in your cells. In this case, choose Data Bars. You'll then see a set of bar styles that you can apply right away. Next, choose the style you prefer. Excel gives you options such as Solid Fill or Gradient Fill. Solid Fill creates a stronger, cleaner look, while Gradient Fill gives the bars a softer appearance. Either one works well, so the choice really depends on the style you want in your sheet. As soon as you click a style, Excel automatically inserts bars inside each of the selected cells. The larger the value, the longer the bar will appear. This gives you an immediate visual comparison without changing the actual numbers in the cells. If you want more control over the appearance, you can customize the data bars as well. Start by selecting the cells that already contain the bars. Then go back to Home, choose Conditional Formatting, and click Manage Rules. This opens the formatting rules currently applied to your selection. Select the Data Bar rule, then click Edit Rule. Here, you can fine-tune how the bars appear. For example, you can change the bar color to better match your spreadsheet design. You can also choose Show Bar Only if you want to hide the numbers and display just the visual bars. In addition, you can set the minimum and maximum values manually, which is helpful if you want the bars to follow a consistent scale. You can even change the direction of the bars depending on how you want the data displayed. And that's it. You've now created an in-cell bar chart in Microsoft Excel, and you also know how to customize it for a clearer, more polished presentation.